welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something a little bit different. I am actually organizing my makeup and cleaning it and just, I don't know, getting rid of some things I do not need, because y'all know I'm somewhat of a hoarder when it comes to makeup. Like, I like to keep everything, especially because, like, if it has a cute package, like, I don't know, I just love the ramble and keep. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So this is my little makeup collection. My makeup is all around my room, not just in one spot. So yeah, this is my new vanity mirror. It's really nice. It lights up and it has a speaker and it's really big, by the way. And I also keep some makeup up here. This is just some of the stuff I use on the daily, and then my jewelry and my office supply stuff. And then also at the bottom I do have some bigger eyeshadow palettes that I don't have nowhere else to store it at. So yeah, maybe we can solve that today. So that is what is down there, and just a bunch of random stuff that I keep down at the bottom of the drawer. Oh, and I also store makeup there too. So here's my actual makeup collection. Please excuse that last drawer, I know it's crazy. So that's my little skincare drawer. I don't really keep too much in there. Just my face mask, my little face brushes, and all that good stuff, you know. So I don't really keep too much in there. I got a foot mask in there, even though that's not a skin product, but oh well. I just keep it in there with all the rest of the mask. My crazy insane lipstick drawer, lip gloss, anything lip products is in that drawer. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks, you know, do a little before and after. You guys will see at the end what my drawers and stuff actually look like when I'm done organizing. And I know that drawer is dirty, don't worry, I tried to clean it, it's just stained. So yeah, moving on, I have my hair products, I have my bonnet, my bows, my brushes, and all that in that one drawer. I know it's crazy and jammed up, but yeah, that's my hair products. And here is more big eyeshadow palettes. I'm probably gonna throw a majority of that stuff away. I know my niece did majority of that stuff, y'all, when she used to come and do girls party with me, and she destroyed my makeup, y'all. She really did, but it's okay. And then there's just nail stuff, y'all, all nail products in that drawer. Okay, so now that I've shown you all of my makeup and where it's at, I'm embarrassed, but we are going to get rid of the things we don't want, clean the bins out, and then reorganize everything. So let's get started. Okay, first drawer. So again, you guys, my little niece completely destroyed a lot of my makeup in here. I don't really use this stuff anyways. It's been in here for like 2 years. I'm not even gonna lie. Majority of this makeup is old. Well, 2 years, I guess. Some people still use makeup or whatever. This is just the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna clean out this bin and get rid of the majority of the stuff in here because I really don't need it and it's old. And yeah, so this is the stuff I'm deciding to keep. That first palette, I just put it there. The second one and this little highlight, so I'm keeping those and I'm throwing the rest. First bin. Alright, this is my lip drawer. Yes, it's chaos, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. Interesting. When I tell you, I literally almost threw away everything in my lip drawer. Honestly, it's time, y'all. The stuff at the top I'm gonna throw away, and then the stuff in the drawer right here is what I am going to keep. So yeah. I'm sad. I'll miss you, my friend. Okay, I'm just joking, but this is crazy. Wow. Second bin. Another bin. This is my skincare one. Now, I will say, I don't really have a lot of makeup. Usually, like back then, like a couple years ago, y'all would have saw a huge, when I say huge makeup collection, because I had it all. But the reason why I don't really buy or have makeup a lot because I really don't wear makeup. Like the only time I'm really wearing makeup is again when I'm filming when I'm taking pictures or something like that. But you guys, I did promise myself, now if I get rid of half of my collection or the things I really don't need, I can, you know, take myself on a little shopping spree and go buy new stuff. Okay, so I really didn't have a lot in my skincare drawer, and I also did not need to clean this drawer because, yeah, it's pretty new and I really don't mess up this drawer. So I pretty much got rid of this, and then I also organized the drawer as well. So as you can see, that is how it's looking. Looks pretty good. Okay, so now it is time to wash the bins. And yeah, I really try to get as much dirt, debris, and makeup off of this thing as I can. I know on the camera I only use dish soap, and then I also cleaned off camera, and y'all, this stuff was not coming off. So what I'm gonna do is whenever I get the time to go to Walmart, I'm just gonna buy new makeup bins because it's really time. I've had these bins for years now. I guess it's really time to get rid of them because let me tell y'all, that stuff will not come out. It will not, okay? So as much as I try to clean and do all of that, I feel like I did it for nothing because even though it is a lot better clean, but you know, a lot of this stuff did not come out. So I also want to let you guys know I'm just gonna go ahead and get new bins for my makeup. And I also tried that Mr. Clean eraser, and that didn't even work. So I'm just like, oh my god. So again, I'm just gonna get new ones. So here is cleaning. Clean and dry, and I'm putting them back in the brush. Alright, so time for cleaning the makeup brushes. Okay, so here are all of my makeup brushes. Again, I used to have more, but I downsized earlier this year when I downsized a lot of my makeup, and then I had to finish it off on today's video. So all of my brushes is in this travel bag, which of course I have a makeup bag as well, and I got this for Christmas. So if you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel, link down below. But you would know I got this for Christmas. It's a matching set, and I thought it was pretty cute. I don't really like the color of the brand, but y'all know me. When I get gifts, I still like to be thankful, and I still think it's cute, though. I still think it's cute. So here are all of my brushes. I'm going to take them out, and we're going to clean them, and let's see how disgusting they are. Now, some of these I'm not going to clean, like, well, this one, I'll do this by itself. This is actually going in my skincare drawer, so let me put that in there. And the rest of the stuff should be able to be cleaned. Okay, so let's get started with all of my brushes. And again, they all need to be clean. They all need to be clean, and I'm kind of embarrassed about this, but let's get started. So we're gonna do a time lapse, and let's actually just dip the first one in now. Again, here's the water right here, and we're gonna dip this first one in now just to kind of see how it looks. I'm going with the most dirtiest looking brush, and this to me is my powder brush, and this to me is like the most dirtiest looking brush. So let's actually see, can I get the camera down a little bit? I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, boom. All right, so here's the water, fresh, clean, and blue. And let's see what happens when we swirl it around. Ew, I can see, ew. Ew. And another reason why I'm cleaning my brushes is, I don't know if you guys saw that TikTok where that girl shared her best friend brushes and she got ringworms on her face. Oh my god. So that's another reason why I really wanted to do this video and clean my makeup and my makeup brushes, because that right there is a big no-no. So ew. So this is how the water looking after I just dipped it in. So I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning and do the time lapse. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not even gonna sit up here and stunt. I did not think my brush water was gonna be that dirty, because even if it was, I would have never put this on camera. But you know, it is what it is. It's real life, things happen. but it made me realize I really need to start cleaning my brushes more. And even though I clean, I feel like I don't clean enough. So definitely I'm gonna start cleaning my brushes more, because yikes, that water is yikes disgusting. I'm so embarrassed. Ew, 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 it's disgusting. These are the two brushes I'm throwing away. I've had them for at least about 4 years now, and even though I cleaned them, it's time for them to go. So peace, y'all gotta go, y'all gotta get up out of here. And here are my other brushes, cleaned and dry, and yeah. Okay, so I know I only threw away a little brushes, but I did buy myself this recently. So let's go ahead and open this and take it out the package. But before we do, here are all of my brushes. They will be drying again. They already dried. And this is my new brush holder as well. So I got two, because again, I'm buying more brushes as well. So let's go ahead and now open my new brushes. It has tape on it. Oh my god, she's so cute and so small. I feel like I'll put all my newer brushes that I get in there, and then keep my everyday brushes in there. That's the last one. Look at how cute this is. Here's me organizing these big makeup palettes in the drawer. And this is a makeup palette I got it for Christmas just recently. So yeah, that's a makeup palette. I thought it was so cute. This big one did not fit in the other drawer, so I had to put it back in there, but it's okay. And here's me cleaning out the makeup palettes I said I was going to keep. And it really makes me just appreciate my things more. I really should do better in keeping up my makeup. Okay, you guys, so here's everything. Now, my lipstick drawer is not that organized. I know it's going to be messy anyway, so it is what it is on that. This drawer is very organized, and it looks good. Everything looks good. And then this drawer was already organized, and that's my skin drawer. So yeah, this is not makeup related, but I wanted to show you guys my office supply stuff and how I keep everything organized. That's a Virgo for you, baby. That's a Virgo for you. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe, comment down below, and thumbs up. Alright, bye.